Hey guys, I just wanted to just go over some simple tips of how you can get your results faster. And I know, like, even this week, I've seen patients and they're scratching their heads and they're wondering what could they do while they're not in the office to help. And so, one of the biggest things that I think that I see and notice is that, as soon as some of the symptoms start to improve, they get into a mode of, hey, I'm feeling better, therefore I can get back to whatever activities that I want to get back into, and they jump in as if they never left off. And that can do a couple of things. Obviously, aggravate their current condition, make things worse, and flare you up, and not letting you progress or respond as effectively, as efficiently that we both would want. And so the biggest thing is allowing your body to heal. I mean, it makes like just common sense, but sometimes I have some patients that are just so eager, maybe on the borderline impatient about their results. And you have to remember that a lot of the things that happen to your body didn't happen overnight. And so it's like me being the heaviest that I'm at right now. This weight gain that I had didn't happen overnight. And it'd be foolish for me to think that, going to the gym and working out and doing a hard cardio workout is going to make me shed off all this weight and have the body that I'd like to do. So healing, it is a process. It does take time. But one of the biggest things that I see is that patients are doing things that they should not be doing, bending, twisting, lifting too soon, too early. And it's like a fire that we're trying to get it to calm down, to die down. You just throwing us another stick into the fire stove and reigniting the fire and wondering why it's not improving. So another analogy I like to give is that most patients will understand is that if you have a cut in your arm and you have a gash there and it's scabbing over, it'd be sort of silly for me to pick at it and wonder if it's gonna continue to bleed or not bleed. And obviously the truth is it'll keep bleeding. It'll cause more scarring. It'll delay the healing process. And so that's something that we just want to avoid all around, because there's nothing more frustrating for me not to see the results as much as the patient's desire. And there's nothing more frustrating for a patient to not get the results that they're looking for as quickly as we can. And so as your doctor, as a chiropractor, yes, we want to see you get better as efficiently, as effective as we can. But a simple tip is just allow your body to heal, follow the guidelines and recommendations. And so when we typically say, if you do the things we tell you to do, and more importantly, don't do the things we tell you not to do, then your healing and recovery should come along as we both desired. So I just thought I'd just share that. I've been noticing a little bit of that with my patients, and I know if that's going on with one patient, it's going on with many other patients. So I thought I'd just share that with you for your Monday quick tip.